انزل التكييف بتاعه بطنه هو اللي بفتح.
Hi guys and welcome to FX Market Strategy. Please confirm if the sound is good right now. Sorry about the sound. I have to repeat everything I said. There was actually, yes, you guys are right, no sound. The plugin was not connected well. Anyway, so Eurobound now we did give a sell. From the separate video I put as a signal video, and it's going really good. And you can see the bound index. We did expect to go back all the way, actually higher. I do expect the bound index to rally up to here, this area right here, just like this. So it's gonna even break this high. See this high? It's gonna be taken by about 15% or so. So the bound index is gonna continue to fly. This is what I can see really fast. Take in consideration the euro index is gonna crash. This is going to make the euro, you can see right here. This you can see the euro start falling, right here. Okay, this is gonna continue to fall in the daily right here. So I do expect to fall with the bound to rally. Is gonna make euro bound really nice sell, and that's why we did give this sell signal in the previous video right here. This is already running 35 pips of profit, which is beautiful. We can enter this one again because actually I do expect this to come possibly all the way down here to the 88 or so, so about at least 250 points down. We are gonna just take profit here, wait a correction, and sell it again. So this is what I do expect, something like this, then a small pullback, right? That's, you know. So we're gonna take our target with this fall. Is one candle probably is gonna hit here or something. Then we're gonna get another fall as big as this one, like this. So we're gonna take target here. We're gonna wait a correction, and we're gonna enter again to sell again right here, and we're gonna go all the way down. Bound Japanese yen, I think this is a really good buy at 135. We did give a previous buy signal in the weekly forecast, and we said this is going to back to 150. So really, if you want to put this as 150 and you be patient, hopefully you can get it. And you test your patience. Of course, we're gonna all fail. We're not gonna be able to wait, and we'll see if we can get 1,500 points up. And this is gonna make it 1,500. Actually, if you put it this way, if you can just leave it, you know, buy it and leave it, but it's gonna take a little bit of time, but possibly is gonna reach the target. Okay. Also, if you guys do remember from the weekly forecast, I said bound Australian possibly is gonna reach like 1.92. And we said that we do expect Australian to be kind of getting strong a little bit, or kind of not crashing, but the bound to be really, really strong, and that's what's gonna make the bound Australian, bound New Zealand to continue going up. So bound Australian, bound New Zealand are only a buy. Possibly 1.9270 to 194 is the area where you should take your target. So you should target right here. Target 1.93 area, 1.9350 hopefully. Okay, so about 400, 500. We did actually give a signal from here, but possibly this is going to continue all the way up here very fast. Bitcoin, we said this is going to continue up, so Bitcoin is going to be a buy, especially with the NFP. Okay, guys, USD CAD right here. You should wait a little tiny bit to buy it before the news or so. Anyway, Eurobound is crashing really nice. I'm happy with this one. This is my, I didn't check what's going on today, guys. Let's see what's going on. Dollar is really weak, and the Canadian, the pound. So you can buy pound Canadian. I would not recommend too much, but you can buy it pound Canadian if you wish to. Okay, I think this is going to reverse, and the Canadian news are going to be positive, and the oil is going to go up. So for me, Canadian dollar being weak are just temporary, and Euro being strong is also temporary because the dollar right now is kind of doing a small correction. So the pound anyway is really strong. If you buy the pound against anything, you're going to be in profit. So for the pound dollar, which all people love to trade pound dollar, what we do expect right here, you can see the pound dollar is a good buy. We did expect this rally. We did give this buy signal If you guys do remember, we did give the signal from here and 1.3 something, and that was a beautiful run. And from here we said don't buy, wait to rise a little bit, then sell it, and from here we said to buy it. This is a full analysis of the three waves now going up back to 1.35. Actually, some banks do expect 1.4. Okay, so pound USD back to 1.35, and that's not a weakness in the dollar. But watch out on Friday. Wait for this trick. So we're gonna get something like this here Friday. Friday we're gonna get back a little bit, about 180 bips back. Then after Friday we're gonna shoot up again. So this is a scenario right here. If you enter here, I believe you're gonna be safe because it's gonna be above this correction. What's gonna happen on Friday right here? So it's something to keep in the eye. I would also look to buy bound CHF, guys, is possibly good because we do expect the CHF to fall. So bound CHF is possibly really good as well. Thank you, Mr. Sokti. Amicio, okay, good. Altaf Hussein, perfect. Altaf Hussein, why? But I'm not sure why about what. Okay, guys. Perfect. Okay, guys, please don't forget to give the like button. Hit the like button so it will support the channel and more people will be able to benefit from this. So this is our trade. Actually, we did choose to sell Eurobound. Where is it? Right here, right there. Okay. So this is the trade right now, Eurobound. So we can wait to see if it's gonna hit target. Okay, guys, so you can see here, so you can see the ABC trading system, especially in the 4-hour time frame, is very rare to give you a bad signal. So right here, when you get this signal right here, start the price to fall and come something like this, that was a start of a really nice fall. Okay, right here we gave this. We saw this price is holding below the trend line, and the cloud itself is below the trend line. It's trying to go back to the trend, to the cloud, to hit it and come back. What the cloud is a dynamic support and resistance. Okay, dynamic support and resistance. It will move with you. It will tell you when to buy, like when to get out. So something like this, when you see the candles are too far away in the 4-hour time frame, very important. Too far away from the trend line, you must get out because this is overbought already. Okay, deviation is very fast, so you need to get out. Okay, so you get out of this one. When you see a sell signal, you get to the sell. So it will get you to the trade very quick in the best area, smallest possible drawdown. So you're gonna be in the money very fast. So, something to keep the eye on. So this should remain under pressure here, guys, especially because we know the euro possibly is going to continue to fall this week, and the pound is going to continue to be strong. So this is a good trade. Pound Japanese yen is already in profit, guys. You can see even we entered right here, not from yesterday when we said to buy it. It's already in profit. And we are minimum going for 500 pips. We put the target here 1,500 pips. This sounds crazy, but it's possible, okay? This is very possible because if any good news is gonna give the pound a huge push, and we do expect the stock market to go up, so the Japanese yen is gonna be weak. So having a strong pound and a weak Japanese yen, this is a big chance to offer a pound Japanese yen strong rally to the upside. Okay, this trade is still going good, and we still waiting to get the target hit. Students Academy, I'm good, thank you. What about you? Altaf here is talking about the gold level. Okay, guys, gold. We said this is possibly the gold is gonna be really falling right before Friday because the NFP news. Okay, so if you're gonna get a gold trade, use a small lot size. Kind of, it will not affect your account too much, but be ready. It may fluctuate a little bit before it comes to fall really bad. But right now, so far, the gold is going south, is going down, possibly to 1700, 1750 area. So this is the gold target right now. We can see. So going back to the gold, euro dollar as expected, right? You guys, this from the weekly forecast. We did expect possibly a small correction to the upside. It may not even reach here and bang with the NFP news. Don't let the market, I think you guys do remember we said this is gonna go away down. So we're just gonna remove this so it doesn't confuse people. Okay. Okay, so what's the next target? This is the entry from the trade we did give yesterday, guys, and we put the target 1750 right here. The big companies who trade gold, they go by 50 and 25. So watch out always for the 1650, 17, 1675, 17, 1750, 1775. Always watch the 50 and 75 numbers in the gold. Okay, they are the support and the resistance area. So right here in the gold, expect a big crash. Okay, gold right here. Between 17 to 1740 area. Okay, guys. So this is the expected area to fall to this right here, 1740. Anyway, we're taking first target at 1750. The trade is already in profit. You can see the dollar index. Watch out, guys. The dollar index is actually going down a little bit, but the gold is still going down also. Why? Because this is a longer term gold direction. This is where it's supposed to go. Of course, anything breaking above 1905, this is gonna make a different story, and this means the dollar index is crashing. But this is not the scenario. The scenario is we are looking for a strong down move right here. Okay, guys, this is the move we are kind of waiting for. Hi, Mr. Ehe. How are you? Hey, guys. You don't really want to be involved with too much, you guys. Make sure this week you can benefit from the NFP, because we know it's most likely it's just like very big chance, about 70 to 90% chance the NFP is going to be really bullish. Okay, and this is gonna make the dollar really strong. So hopefully you can benefit from something like buying the Dow, buying the DAX. Guys, we discussed this one also. The Dow is a good buy. See guys, from the weekly forecast, this line is still there right here. We said this is going to buy. This is the last 12 hours right here, or 8 hours since the market did open. It's continuously going up. So can take one buy from here. The NFB, we are buying this basically because we do expect the NFB to be bullish, that's all. And this is going 600 points at least. So 28,000 easy. Okay, so 28,000 easy, easy, easy. If you guys, this is the ABC trading system, guys. If you want to scalp or buy 1 hour time frame, 1 hour time frame is very well respected. So if you take signals in the 1 hour time frame, you're gonna find good signals. See right here, and it gives you area also for the stop loss. If you go like this and you put this show re-enter signal, you put through and show stop loss, put through, and then go like that, then you're gonna see the stop loss entry right here. Every time there is a trade, it gives you stop loss. You can see most of the trades are working really good. Like those trades are good. Those trades are good. This one you're gonna get in and out, but this one, even if this one you lose a little bit, if you hit stop loss, let's say 100 points or something like this, you get 730 points, so it will make up for 10 of those ones, you know. This one is kind of okay a little bit. And also with our analysis, we will say, okay, filter the sell, don't take any sell, take only the buy. So if you follow up the weekly forecast with our trading system, it's gonna make even more sense, okay? And we say only trade in New York time because there's gonna be the strong movement, you're gonna get out of the range and all that stuff, okay? So if you take only the buys, you can see the buys have been really good. This one was good, 650. Then the market did reverse from this area to the 26,400 or so. Okay, you can see up and down, but anyway, this signal we did give yesterday was really nice. Going back, that was even the half-hour time frame, was not even the hourly. Going back right here, we do expect this to continue up. Going back to the Euro bound, has been going good so far, so we're happy with this trade. So far, so good. We still do expect further down, guys, in this one. Okay, guys, we're just gonna jump quickly here to TradingView, and we're gonna together put some trades. So let's put the Eurobound right here, and we can see how to do some analysis. So if you guys, some of you are not aware of TradingView, it's a big community for traders, and you can publish your ideas. This is the previous Eurobound analysis right here. It was really good, and the support it did hold exactly almost per pip, was really nice. So right now this is bouncing back from this level, okay, and possibly we're actually going all the way down back to here. That was a previous analysis. It did work really good. Anyway, so what we do expect right here is to continue falling. So really you want to give an idea how you're thinking about this one. So if you draw a channel or so, if you want to make a channel, you just come, I believe, right here, right there. Then you make a channel like this one. Or if you have it as a favorite, it will pop up right here. See right there? Then you come and you make a line first like this to the top, stop, then you drag it down here. Okay, if you want to do something like this. Yeah. If you also want to deviate a little bit from your trend, it's your choice, is whatever you want to draw. Nothing really written in stone, it's your choice and your view. So right here, if you want an arrow, you make it here, or you come to this one, and you can see, if you want to change the color of this one, you just click on this one, you make it red. This is a little bit brownish, so if you make it red right here, if this is a little bit too thick, and you can give it a small title. So you can put, say, Euro Bridge bound fall to, let's say, 88.50. That's all. Okay, right here. If you want to make this, so you can say I'm taking a short trade from here, this is my stop loss and this is my target. Some people are very, very silly. Sometimes the trade will come right here and come back like this. They say, oh, did it stop loss? Just like this. That's why I don't like to put this one, because if you are actually, do you think banks put stop loss? They don't put stop loss, okay? So you should manage your account in a way that you have you have more wide stop loss, or you can actually use a stop loss when something is going really bad and you want to get rid of it, but you have some other trades going good, or you close all the trades at the same time. And the idea of using a very tight stop losses come from the brokers, because they want you to open too much trades with a small stop loss so they can get more commission, and if they are a market maker, your money is going to them. So okay, so that's something to keep the eye on. So Eurobound fall. You can type here as we expect NFP to be very bullish this Friday. Okay, Euro will fall while we do expect bound to be strong. This will offer a really good sell of Eurobound. If you like the idea, so follow to get more. Thanks for support. That's enough. So we're gonna click short right here, and you're gonna say, is it a trend analysis? It's technical, it's fundamental, kind of three of them. And you can say Eurobound right here. Okay, also if you want to add something like Eurobound short, and also because this is an NFP trade, kind of, we put NFP, we can put to also publish on Twitter and stock tweets. Okay, and you can say publish idea. If you had the previous Eurobound, you can just type Eurobound, is going to show up right here. Okay, and you say if you have more Eurobound, then you put them here if you want, you know. For some of them are going to be good, some will look great, just like this. So then you publish your idea. Okay, you just wait a second or so, then it will show up. It has been published. If you come here and you go to profile, it's frozen. Here, it's shown right here. So this is Eurobound. Okay, the trade is shown right here, Eurobound. Okay, that's how you do this analysis. Okay, if you go to something bound Japanese yen also, we can put a trade, or we can put gold because a lot of people are interested in the gold. So we're gonna only go 1780 in this case right here, and this is going to be a direct fall because an NFP. And if you want to put it, see October 2nd exactly right here, then the trading date, you actually want to make a free fall just like this, so you get the idea. And we can take this down a little bit. And if you want to make it look a little bit better, you know, you can take something like drawing tool or so, like this one, brush, and you can, you know, kind of give a idea to the people that's going down. You can make it a little bit different color or so, like this. And you can type right here, for example, why 1770? However, we do expect actually 1700 because this is a good target. $70 target is really nice. Okay, why did we make two lines? Because one for the fall and one for the NFP. Okay, so kind of get an idea of what's gonna happen. So So as we do expect NFB to be very bullish, gold should fall to 1770, then 1750 area actually, and it may even land on 1705. Okay, so only take a sell trade and no buy here at all. Okay guys, thanks. Follow to get more. My battery is about to disconnect. Follow to get more ideas, just like this, you know. Then just have a good day. Okay guys, so really if you type gold, gold target 2090, this is show you guys some trades. That's something really old. When say gold is going what 1500, that possibly like 1350 or so. Just something like this. Then I'm gonna short it and right here and tag gold and just like this and that. Also, you should be honest, put fundamental news because we do expect. Okay, guys. So basically, we also did publish the gold trade right here in TradingView. That's good for now. We should go back to our chart. If we go back here and we just take this off right here, we are back to our euro bound. It's going really nice. Hi, Evan. The gold, we do expect it to fall because the NFB is going to be really positive, so the dollar is going to get strong. So having good numbers from the United States is going to increase appetite for investment in the stock market and the shares, and is going to take this gold off the table to be a good investment right now, at least temporary. So that's what's going to make the gold to fall because the dollar index is going to be strong and the stock market is going to be strong from the NFB on Friday. Investors are not going to wait till Friday to actually sell gold. They know that the news are going to be bullish, so they're going to take action. Actually, I believe that what happened last week from the gold falling was because the news next week they expect the news to be very bullish and the NFB to be strong. That's why they started also to sell the gold. Okay, so we do expect the gold to fall because of this reason. I hope this makes sense. So guys, the trading system, the ABC trading system also is going to give you the signals right here. So this is give you the bond index. It did give a buy, you sell dollar, sell, buy the DAX, you know, like this. So your bound is going good. And we do have also bound Japanese yen, I believe, is going okay. And Euro New Zealand so far, this one did go good last week. Euro dollar, don't be fooled with this up rally. This is gonna crash so bad, so it's better to take a higher price to sell it. Also the pound dollar, after this rally we're gonna get a fall, then we're gonna continue the rally, and the Dow and the DAX only a buy. Okay, and the gold, you can see the gold is going really good. That's 1 hour time frame. If you want something small, you're gonna see it looks like this, just like, you know, some of the people do to make it look big. Right here, we entered right here and this fall, and you can see also it's falling below the support level. Look at the candles, guys. Look at this candles, is going perfect. Okay, so this is going to fall. This is the big picture right here for gold. So you can see down wave, a down wave correction, down wave correction, expect another down wave. This down wave can be as big as this one right here, which was about 70 pips exactly. 70 pips, then this is gonna go 1770. Okay, 1770. If it's gonna go 70 pips exactly as this one. But so far it's going good. So far it's going good. Breaking below 1850 is gonna expose 1800 very quick. Okay. Watch out in New York time, gold most of the time gets sold off. So like in Asia they do like gold, in London is okay, but because the dollar index moves a lot in New York, also in the US they do prefer the higher return of investment, which is the stock and the shares offer the safe haven gold. That's why gold mostly gets sold big times when it does crash in the New York session. Mostly, okay, you can see this possibly was in New York session. Okay, guys. Euro bound is going good so far, so this is going good so far. Bound Australian, this is will continue up. We do expect this one to continue rally up right here. Okay, so we're only gonna take continue a buy. We did update this in the weekly forecast. We said the bound Australian, we do expect it to continue up. So, but bound Japanese will be a better buy. Euro bound also is a better sell. Japanese yen index, we do expect to reverse from this area exactly right here. So JPY pairs are gonna start to go up. Euro index, we do expect it to fall from here. Dollar X is just making the exact correction we discussed right here. See this correction, the weekly forecast. So we expect it to come only to here, and from this area it's gonna fly up. So we're waiting to see a fly up. And euro dollar is going up a little bit because the dollar index is just making a correction. After such a big rally, you need a small correction right here to get more buys, accumulation phase, then we'll continue going up. This is the ABC trading system, guys. You can see where the buy and the sells. It makes it easy to trade. Okay, so where like the dollar index is going down, but also gold is going down. That's really tricky. When the dollar index is going down, the gold should be going up. But because this is a correction, not a main trend, okay, and investors, they do know the gold is gonna go down, especially also with the good news about the vaccine from the coronavirus. And the trend now, we're going toward the vaccine, not going a second wave and expanding. However, some waves and stuff, but this is nothing I don't think is gonna crash the stock market, is gonna cause anything. So where the gold is going down, the dollar index is going down, gold is also going down. That's kind of weird. It does happen sometimes because this is just a correction wave. It's like a fake wave, okay? The main wave is to the upside. That's what I can say. I could be wrong, but that's my view. So you can see the gold going down right here. And anyway, even if you get a little bit plain right here, we still have the view of the gold falling, not rising from this area to 1700, 1740 area. Okay, guys, that was it for this morning. We have been here for almost 50 minutes. I hope this was an benefit for you guys. Some question about USD/JPY. Yes, I stopped actually doing analysis for the USD/JPY. It was just so boring. Right here. So dollar Japanese yen possibly $1670 is the target. Okay, 1670. So about 140 pips to the upside. 1.670. So right here, this possibly 1.6. Right here is your target, 10670. This is the first target, but possibly this will continue going up a little bit more, even more. Possibly next one 17660 right here. But this is going only up, guys, no down. Dollar Japanese yen is going only up, it's not going down. It's a slow pair. It's going to the stock market, dollar index, the Japanese stock market, so it's a little bit tricky pair. It's not easy. US crude also, you want to take a buy only, guys. Better to take from a lower price, but it's only a buy, don't sell it. Okay, our euro bound trade, EuroCAD is still in the same area, and DAX also still in the same area. Bitcoin expect a rally this week. Eurobound is still nice, it's going nice, but still in the same area, kind of. Okay, guys, that was it for this morning. Hopefully, we can come back in New York time and give you more update and see how the trades are going. Okay, guys, thank you for joining me. Thank you for the likes and support and the comment and any share. If you're a new follower to the channel, you are most welcome. Okay, guys, thank you. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.